Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be doing an update on the $500 swing trading challenge. For those of you that are new to the channel, my name is Carter. I'm a full-time swing trader, and what we've done over this past month, because this is week 4 of doing this challenge, is to prove to you it's not about how much money you have, it's all about the strategy and approach when it comes with trading and swing trading in the market. I've been a full-time swing trader for over 6 years, and with that being said, we do have an amazing school where I teach people my strategies, my mindset, my approach when it comes to swing trading in the stock market. And you guys can use code CHALLENGE. Only 2 spots left to get 50% off. So check it out down below. But guys, let's jump into this here. So this past week, how many trades did we take, and are we up or are we down? So this past week, we are sitting up about 1.7%. That is only up about $10. Now, in the grand scheme of things, that is completely fine because the stock that we chose definitely still has some room to run. So looking at the stock here, you guys will see that this is ticker symbol BGC. We actually talked about this stock last week, and one of the reasons here why we hopped in near and around this $8 mark. Now, the approach and mindset that I always have with trading is whole dollars and half dollars. So like $8 whole or $8.50 is going to act as a harder support or a harder resistance than other stocks or than other prices. Another reason, it's right on that 90-day moving average line, which acts as support. Another reason, it's right on this beautiful trend line here where we get more than 3 touches. 1, 2, 3, recently 4. Another reason was the RSI. The RSI at the time was trading for a 33. So a 33, normally anything under a 30 is considered an undervalued point for the, for the stock. But I definitely think there is always a little wiggle room. So that was another indication where we could have some more buying pressure. So looking at the RSI here, you guys will see that it was trading for, that 33. The last points that it was trading for 33 was right in here where the stock went from 740 all the way up to $9. So we had a good amount, good things checked off, right? We had heavy support. We had good trend lines. We had undervalued on the RSI. And we had just a lot of momentum. And definitely my approach when it came with this stock was hopping in, like I said, at that $8. So if we hopped in at 8, we would set our target price all the way up here at about $9 and set our, our stop loss just below this. So we're risking about $1 to make about $3, which is a decent risk and reward. And the thing about swing trading with $500 or even even $5,000 is it's all about consistency. I would rather see you guys make 1, 2, 3% and just be consistent rather than making 10%, then losing 5%, then being up 7%, then down 15%, then up, I don't want to see your account swing. I just want to see slow growth, 1, 2, 3% returns, because that compounded over the years is going to be what makes up a successful swing trader. It's not about home runs. It's all about base hits. So if you're just getting started and you don't know what to do or, how to get started, guys, I would recommend opening up a Moomoo account. I'll put them down below and start paper trading. Start developing a strategy. Start getting in and out of positions. Develop what type of trader you are, whether you're a day trader, swing trader, and then slowly work on strategies and your approach and edge with your trades. If you have any questions, you guys are more than, you guys can ask them down below. You guys can message me on Instagram, or you guys can check out my school and use code challenge for 50% off. But guys, as of right now, we're sitting at $588, so we're up $10. I'm happy with it, and honestly, we could see this thing start squeezing up a little higher. So that's my approach, that's my mindset, and that is the update on the small account challenge. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask down below, and I'm excited for this week. Hopefully we can get some buying pressure out of this one, and if not, guys, having good risk management is super important. And, you know, we have the approach, we have our stop, we have our target, and I think we're in a great spot. So, guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next week when we do another update. See you guys later.